Okay, we've gone in and filled the little spots that needed to be touched up and sanded it down good. Wiped it down with a damp cloth, and now we're just going to use a white for a base paint. So we're going to use white for a base, then we're going to take 220 grit sandpaper and lightly sand it down, and then give it another coat, and by then we should be ready to start using color. If you enjoy my videos, please like my videos on my YouTube page and subscribe. I would appreciate that. So we'll continue to get this all painted up, let it sit and dry real good, and then we'll move on to the next step. Thanks for watching.